Material: Tritan copolyester. Brand: Nalgene. Capacity: 1.4 pounds. Age range: description, adult. Color: black, gray. On the Fly Cap Nalgene Lid. Top reviews from the United States. A great lid when your mutt eats your original lid. I have a Nalgene ATB bottle that I love. Unfortunately, my Maisie Grace, our year-old Westie, loved the cap by destroying it. So I am stuck with a bottle that I love and no cap. Hence the Amazon search. I came across this one and thought it had potential. It had some nice reviews, I like the look, the cap is workable with one hand, and the spout is awesome. It is contoured and beveled to the front to give an excellent flow. The flip-top lid has enough resistance so it doesn't drop down on your nose when you are guzzling down sweet water. That same lid has a very cool loop design that allows it to be hooked on a carabiner or provides a great finger hook when I want to pull it out of my MOLLE water bottle pouch. The metal safety clip is a nice feature, though the plastic clicking lock mechanism works aces. And it comes in infantry blue, a color dear to me. Why is the sky blue? Because God loves the infantry. Anyway.